Students guidance on the paperwork and application process of selecting an HBCU before they graduate from high school. Since the U.S. Supreme Court struck down affirmative action in college admissions, educators believe more students may be attracted to attending HBCUs.
I'm Esther Dillard, along with Doug Davis, on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network. Now here's Morgan Wood with your Healthy Minute. Student loan debt plays a big role in adults' mental health. A recent study at the University of Georgia discovered that student loan debt and mental health are directly related. Researchers analyzed close to 90,000 Reddit and Twitter posts from 2009 to 2020. They also discovered that student debt was linked to falling academic performance. Meanwhile, Duke University is trying to expand its use of artificial intelligence. The hospital system is partnering with Microsoft to study the best ways to use AI in a healthcare environment over the next 5 years. Duke explained the plan, saying researchers will make sure the technology is used safely and responsibly. Officials say the intelligence software could help train students, conduct studies, and care for patients. That's your Healthy Minute. I'm Morgan Wood on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network, and BINnews.com.
All the black news you trust every 30 minutes on the Black Information Network. The Bay Area's BIN 910.
Giving rise to hip-hop and R&B artists like Heavy D and the Boys, Father MC, and Mary J. Blige. Acting as an incubator for the careers of Sean Puffy Combs and Teddy Riley, Uptown Records was founded in 1986 by artist and former Def Jam executive Andre Harrell. Considered one of the chief architects of New Jack Swing, Harrell would leverage the success of Uptown Records into a movie deal and a television series, an MTV Unplugged album and home video.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Uptown would become a movie. Harrell would leave Uptown in 1995 to become CEO of Motown Records. Suddenly passing on May 8th, Andre and Uptown Records story will be captured in an upcoming BET miniseries. This is Ademu Cologne for the Black Information Network.
9:10 a.m. KKSF, Oakland, the Black Information Network.
Tell your smart device to play Bay Area's BIN 910 on iHeartRadio. I'm Esther Dillard, and here's the latest from the Black Information Network. There's new hope that the U.S. may soon get some information about who was captured when he crossed into North Korea. The State Department has reached out to the reclusive nation to get an update. For the first time, North Korea has responded, but they did not give an update. There's fear that Private Travis King is being tortured. He was in the process of being shipped back to El Paso's Fort Bliss when he slipped away from the airport and made a dash across the border. And supporters of former President Donald Trump are being asked for donations to help fight off what the Trump campaign is calling the left witch hunt. One day after Trump was indicted for his alleged efforts to overturn the 2020 election, his campaign sent out emails claiming the former president could face up to 561 years in prison because of the, quote, corrupt DOJ. And that's the latest. I'm Esther Dillard from the Black Information Network and BINnews.com. I'm Amber Payton in for Terry McCready.
And I'm Kevin Brown on your home for 24/7 News, the Black Information Network.
An Alabama state senator has announced plans to file a bill during the next legislative session to increase the punishment for lying to law enforcement about an abduction. Under current Alabama law, such an offense is only a misdemeanor punishable by up to 2 years in prison. State Senator April Weaver of Briarville said recently that her bill will call for both strong prison sentences and mandatory restitution requirements. The move is in response to Carly Russell of Hoover recently admitting that she lied about being kidnapped after seeing a toddler walking along I-459 in Birmingham.
False reporting to law enforcement authorities. Class A misdemeanor, $1,000 bond. Falsely reporting an incident, a Class A misdemeanor with a $1,000 bond. Each of these charges carry up to a year in jail.
That's Hoover Chief of Police Nicholas Durzis detailing the charges Russell is currently facing. The proposed new bill would make it a felony to lie to law enforcement about an abduction.
Officials have released the body and dash cam footage from a recent shooting of a black man. Although police did not name the driver, his family identified him as Ricky Cobb II. A press conference reviewed what happened between the police officers and the now deceased man on the interstate. Cobb's mother, Naira Fields Miller, reviewed the footage and had this to say.
It's hurtful, y'all. It's
My
so
cats
hurtful.
will do it.
And confusing.
As Cobb drove off, 2 shots were fired by an officer on the passenger side. The troopers involved are currently on administrative leave. The investigation is still ongoing.
The fall season.